خواجہ آصف سے سوال کیا گیا کہ تمہارے پاس کیا پروف ہے کہ تم نے انڈین کے 5 طیارے گرا دیے؟ جواب دیا سوشل میڈیا پر سب کچھ موجود ہے کہ ہم نے دشمن کے جہاز گرائے ہیں۔
This. Pakistan claims it shot down 5 Indian Air Force jets and a drone, as I understand it. India says there's no evidence of that, no proof. So can you provide more detail? Hold on. Can you provide more detail? And is this the response that your army spokesman threatened, or is there further action to come? Let's start with this very specific allegation of 5 fighter jets shot down. Where's the evidence for that, sir?
It's all over the social media, on Indian social media, not on our social media. The debris of these jets fell into Indian occupied Kashmir, and it's all over Indian media today.
You're the defense
and they have
minister.
admitted their media has.
The reason to talk to you today, sir, is not to talk about content all over social media. I'm sorry. It's not to talk about content all over social media. I'm asking you very specifically.
جو سوشل میڈیا پر موجود ہے یا جو دکھایا جا رہا ہے یا دکھایا گیا وہ میں آپ کو سامنے رکھتا ہوں۔